In this video, I'll show you how you can use Claude inside Perplexity. Earlier, there was an option to set your default model for responses by going to Preferences and then selecting Model under the Artificial Intelligence section. But at that time, clicking on it would just redirect you back to the homepage. Now the option to change your search model has been updated. Whenever you perform a search, you'll see an option called Choose a Model. By default, it's set to Best, which means Perplexity will automatically choose the most suitable model to answer your prompt. If you prefer using a specific model instead, such as Claude Sonnet 4.0 or Claude 4.0 Thinking, you can simply click on it from the dropdown. Some of these models are only available on paid plans. However, if you're a student, you can get the education plan completely free. I've explained this process in detail in a previous video, and I've linked it in the description below. To demonstrate how Claude works in Perplexity, I'm using another account with a Pro subscription. Here, if I disable the Best toggle, I can manually select any of the available models from the drop-down menu, except those marked as Max, since I'm currently on the Pro plan. For example, let's select Claude Sonnet 4.0 Thinking and run a search on hydrogen battery breakthrough 90 degrees. As you can see, it loads the search results and provides a detailed response using the Claude Sonnet 4.0 Thinking model. Keep in mind that using Claude inside Perplexity requires a Pro plan. You won't be able to access it on the free plan. That's all for this tutorial.